Hey everyone, this is Josh. Whether you're a runner, supporter, or just participating in the festival, I am here to help you get the most out of SeaWheeze 2018. So I am a Vancouver resident. This will be my 5th year volunteering for SeaWheeze, and I'm lucky enough to participate in this year as well. So just some quick advice. Thursday, SeaWheeze will begin its package pickup a day early. This is a great opportunity to get package pickup out of the way to free up your Friday, and excellent chance to have your shorts exchanged in the right size. Friday is a big day at the convention center. A lot of activities and booths there. There will be yoga at 9 a.m., noon, and 7 p.m. That's open to the general public. You just have to sign a waiver to participate. The big attraction is the SeaWheeze Showcase store with limited merchandise. Often the merchandise has run out midday, and by the evening the store is nearly empty. So you want to get there early. Unless you have a reserved admission ticket for the SeaWheeze Showcase store, you'll have to settle with general admission. And general admission likely means a heavy lineup to get in. General admission begins 10 or 11 a.m. I'm not quite sure. However, the lineup begins often queues the afternoon the previous day. So if you were attracted to the merchandise at the store, expect lineups. Saturday is the big race day. I'm expecting favorable weather. Vancouver has been quite mild during the day, 15 degrees or 60 Fahrenheit. Has been rainy at times, but I'm expecting things to be favorable on Saturday. If you're supporting, there are shuttle buses leaving the convention center, taking you to different parts of the course. So take advantage of that, and you could support the runners along their journey. The evening is the Sunset Festival. Sunset Festival is open to the general public with paid admission. To get to the Sunset Festival, you could simply walk or bike to Stanley Park. Take advantage of the free shuttle bus leaving from the convention center. The Sunset Festival includes yoga once again. Bring your own mat for that. And you could try this year's Lululemon branded beer. I recommend coming prepared for the Sunset Festival, avoiding ATM lineups by bringing cash. Bring your water bottle and refill it there as well. Now, for those of you who don't know, SeaWheeze is an awesome 21K half marathon by Lululemon. I really recommend it, especially if you're a big fan of Lululemon. Now, it's often, there are 10,000 participants, which means that not everyone can register for SeaWheeze. However, if you're really eager to participate, you'll have to do what I did, which is just monitor Lululemon's social media channels and be there for the registration period. Another thing I would strongly recommend to folks is to volunteer. Volunteering has excellent advantages, and you get to be part of the event, including admission to the Sunset Festival. So that's what I have to say. I hope to see you here. If you're around, be sure to say hi. Be safe and enjoy your trip. Namaste.